Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your ROBOROCK Saros Z70 making loud noises while cleaning. This can only be fixed by inspecting the robot because it basically might have a foreign object trapped in it. So first let's look on the bottom of the robot. And as you can see right here, there's a side brush. Make sure nothing is stuck in there and that it can move freely. Then also see if the wheels can move. If there's something trapped in there, then try removing it. Try like lifting the robot, tapping it from the top and stuff like that. Then for the main brush, try opening this cover, removing the main brush, see if it has something on it. If not, put it back. If none of that helped, then also let's ensure that there's nothing in the dust bin. Sometimes some larger particle might get trapped in there. After lifting the lid, you will be able to remove it.
Dust bin removed.
And then if there's something in it, you can remove it by opening it right here, removing it, and putting the filter back on.
Dust bin installed.
And if that didn't help, then you'll need to contact the customer service. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.